Hello, friends. Welcome to the third part of this anxiety series from genuine, authentic, reliable source book written by George Vitholka sir. The first drug of discussion for today is phosphorus. The term used by Vitholka sir for phosphorus is diffusion. Phosphorus patients have the ability to feel the feelings of the others. If their family members are unwell, they tend to feel their sufferings. This very ability to be sensitive to the suffering of others becomes the root of their anxiety. Panic attacks end for phosphorus when the doctor tells everything is okay. This anxiety about their own health as well as their family members. But the difference is that few reassuring words would settle their anxiety, which is totally opposite of nitric acid where nothing would assure him. During the anxiety attack, he has to communicate with someone, a friend, a relative, or a doctor. Arsenicum, Kali Ars, Natramur, Kali Carb, nitric acid, etc. Everyone will hide their anxiety, unlike phosphorus. The anxiety will return when the patient becomes alone. There is a desire for salt and desire for water during the anxiety. These people are intelligent, right, and warm. The phosphorus person is an open person. One tends to like their company, unlike nitric acid, where you tend to dislike and their presence can be pretty draining. Phosphorus patients don't drain your energy. Every remedy has a sensitivity towards a specific causative factor. For phosphorus, the anxiety is almost always for the health matters about him or his family. For Ignatia and Natramur, the cause is emotional grief. Natramur is closed, reserved, and unexpressive. For Calcarea fluor, arsenic, and sorinum, the main causative modality is about financial matters. Understanding the exciting ailment often helps to differentiate the remedies. Let us understand some dependable mental symptoms of phosphorus. Open, extroverted, lively, friendly, sensitive to all external impressions, desire for and better in company. Sympathetic, fears dark, alone, thunders, earthquakes, disease, death, something will happen, ghost. Now some physical symptoms: painless hoarseness, empty all gone sensation, burning pain in stomach, amelioration by cold, but vomits as soon as it becomes warm, diarrhea as if the anus is wide open. Generalities: easy hemorrhages with bright red blood, young people grow too rapidly, tend to walk stooped, thirst for cold water and in large quantities, desire salt, ice cream, chocolate, cold foods, food and drink, fishes, wine, can sleep on right side, short sleep refreshes. Our next drug of discussion is nitric acid. The anxiety of nitric acid is mainly about health and especially about cancer. He is convinced that he has cancer and enters into a state of hypochondriacal anxiety. Let us understand how this manifests in the clinic. A nitric acid patient visits a doctor for weakness, and after examining him, the doctor says everything is fine. But this suggestion does not go well with the patient, and he visits another doctor who also gives the same answer like the former. But in his mind, he is convinced that he has cancer. He will get himself examined daily, and it doesn't matter to him how many times you will tell him there is nothing. This state is of hypochondriacal anxiety. So, in nitric acid, the fear of death stems from a core belief that he has cancer. The nitric acid patient will never show that he is anxious, but internally he is quite worried that eventually his health will go down. Vitholka sir calls this patient as a pest. Pest means annoying or nuisance. These people are always dissatisfied, miserable, never pleased in the happiest of circumstances. They are very egoistic and feel as if I am the center of the world and everyone else revolve around him. They are irritable in the morning hours and wake up unrefreshed. The characteristic of this patient is that they can't forget wrong done to him. If the person asks for an apology, this patient is unable to forgive. On the face, he will say, okay, okay, but within, he is very unforgiving. So, here are some dependable mental symptoms: fear of death, fear of cancer, pest, unforgiving, nihilistic. Some important physicals and physical generals: stitching, splinter like pain where mucous membranes and skin meet, cracks around the corners of the mouth and lips, warts on lips, offensive discharges, cracking of jaw on chewing, chilly, desires salty, fatty, and indigestible things, unrefreshed sleep, wakes up at 2 a.m. These are some important physical symptoms of nitric acid. Thank you for your time and attention. See you next time with 2 more drugs.